Hi everybody, welcome to Things You Need to dominKnow. Today we're talking about creating an assessment. And you might be saying to yourself, Brent, I know how to create an assessment. I just add test question pages into the test question folder of my dominKnow project. And the assessment gets launched and created either at the start of a button or when my user gets to the last page of their content. Yes, that's true. But in certain instances, you may want to launch just an assessment with no content pages at all. So basically the instructions for launching that test or taking that test are located elsewhere, either on a page in your LMS or on a website or wherever you may be launching the SCORM package from that is just the assessment. So let's take a look and see what that looks like. This particular project is a basic project inside of dominKnow 1 for those of you who may be new. But these videos are mostly for those existing users. You know, you've already got your project, your module, your learning object, and your content page started. This is the default. And then you have your test question folder in your learning object. Let's go ahead and add a couple test question pages just so we have some content in here. So when we preview it, you can see what I mean when we launch just a project that has an assessment without the content pages. Now, the part that you might be thinking to yourself as well, we'll just go with these two content or question pages for now, that you always have to have a content page in at least one page in your learning object. And so this is why it may not be immediately intuitive for you to think that you could create a project like this, an assessment that doesn't show any of the content. Well, how you can do that is in your your 3-dot menu right next to your swimming dolphins icon. You can go over to your project properties, and in the right side flyout window, which should be displaying here momentarily, there we go, there is a course type or a project type field in your project properties. If you simply take this and switch it, you'll notice all the other options there as well, but let's just go ahead and switch it to assessment. I know a lot of you have probably never even touched this type field here before, but this is where you can make some very interesting projects and some magic happen. So we'll click update on that. And as we look over here, what's the one thing that you notice? Right? Immediately, you've got your page is grayed out, your content page. And that means that that page is not going to display. So if we go up here to our preview, full project, you'll notice it will immediately jump right into the test. We take the test. We immediately jump to the end of module screen. They can retake the test, review the test, as you all know. Click continue, and then we have our end of project screen, which of course these are automatically generated, but they're also customizable, and the user is done. It's that simple, and that's one of the things you need to dominKnow.